The turkey is a familiar sight, gracing dinner tables and symbolizing cultural traditions across the globe. From festive feasts to everyday meals, this remarkable bird holds a unique place in human history and our collective consciousness. But how did this iconic bird come to be so deeply intertwined with our lives? Join us on an extraordinary journey through the turkey's millions of years of history, exploring its evolutionary roots, the dawn of its domestication, and its profound impact on cultures worldwide. The turkey's evolutionary journey began millions of years ago, firmly rooted in the ancient landscapes of North America. This continent served as the cradle for its earliest ancestors, shaping their development over vast stretches of time. Fossil evidence clearly indicates the presence of the Meleagris genus, the scientific classification for turkeys dating back millions of years. These ancient remains offer crucial insights into the lineage of today's turkeys. Early characteristics suggest these ancestors were likely smaller than their modern descendants. They were also less social, exhibiting behaviors more typical of solitary forest dwellers rather than the flocking birds we often observe today. Over millennia, this ancestral lineage underwent significant divergence, eventually evolving into two distinct species. This branching path led to the unique characteristics we see in turkeys today. One of these species is the wild turkey, scientifically known as Meleagris gallopavo. This resilient bird is found across a wide range of habitats throughout North America, from dense forests to open woodlands. A second distinct species is the ocellated turkey, or Meleagris ocellata. This strikingly beautiful bird is native exclusively to the lush rainforests of the Yucatan Peninsula, showcasing vibrant plumage unlike its northern cousin. The domestication of the turkey marks a pivotal moment in its history, beginning approximately 2,000 years ago. This transformative process unfolded in the rich cultural tapestry of Mesoamerica. Indigenous peoples were the true innovators behind this domestication, with groups like the Aztecs playing a particularly significant role. Their deep understanding of local wildlife led to the careful selection and breeding of wild turkeys. These early domesticated turkeys served a dual purpose within indigenous societies. They were highly valued not only as a source of food, but also for their magnificent feathers, which were used in ceremonial attire and decorative arts. Through intentional selective breeding, indigenous communities began to cultivate turkeys for specific traits. They favored birds exhibiting larger size and altered behavioral characteristics, making them more amenable to human care. These breeding efforts resulted in noticeable changes in both plumage and behavior. Domesticated turkeys often displayed different feather patterns and became less wary of humans compared to their wild counterparts. Domestication practices gradually disseminated across the Americas, spreading among various indigenous tribes. This exchange of knowledge and birds further solidified the turkey's role in pre-Columbian societies. Over time, different indigenous groups developed unique turkey breeds, each adapted to local conditions and cultural preferences. These distinct varieties highlight the diverse approaches to animal husbandry in ancient America. The turkey's journey beyond the Americas began with European discovery. Explorers arriving in the New World encountered these remarkable birds, recognizing their potential value. By the 16th century, turkeys were successfully transported back to Europe, marking a significant moment in global agricultural history. These birds quickly adapted to their new environments. Their rapid popularity in Europe was undeniable, as they were quickly adopted and appreciated for their meat and novelty. Turkeys soon became a prized addition to European diets and farmsteads. European breeders then took up the mantle of refinement, further developing the domesticated turkey. They applied their own selective breeding techniques to enhance desirable traits. This European breeding led to the development of notable new breeds, such as the elegant Norfolk Black and the robust Bronze Turkey. These varieties became staples in European poultry farming. Remarkably, these refined European breeds eventually made their way back across the Atlantic. They were reintroduced to North America, influencing the genetic makeup of turkeys on their ancestral continent. In the United States, the turkey is inextricably linked to the Thanksgiving holiday. It symbolizes abundance, gratitude, and the spirit of communal celebration, holding a cherished place in American tradition. In Mexico, the turkey continues to hold profound importance in traditional cuisine and celebrations. It remains a staple ingredient in many regional dishes, reflecting its deep historical roots in the culture. Globally, turkeys are raised extensively for their meat and eggs in many parts of the world. Their economic importance contributes significantly to the agricultural sectors of numerous countries. Beyond large-scale farming, turkeys also play a vital role in supporting local economies. Small farms and communities often rely on turkey production for sustenance and income. Despite their global culinary presence, turkeys do not have a universal natural distribution. They are not found everywhere across the planet, highlighting their specific evolutionary origins. Major continents like Australia and Antarctica are notable for their absence of native turkey populations. Their unique ecosystems did not evolve to include these gallinaceous birds. Similarly, turkeys are not native to many island nations around the world. Their inability to cross vast oceanic distances naturally limited their spread to isolated land masses. Therefore, the turkey's natural distribution is primarily limited to the Americas. Their presence in other regions is a direct result of human introduction and agricultural expansion. The turkey belongs to the order Galliformes, placing it within the broader gallinaceous family. This group includes other familiar birds such as chickens, pheasants, and peafowl, sharing a common ancestry. There is a particularly interesting genetic connection with African guinea fowl. Turkeys exhibit similarities in their genetic makeup and occupy comparable ecological niches to these distant relatives. The complex evolutionary relationships within the gallinaceous family continue to be a subject of ongoing research. Scientists are constantly uncovering new insights into the shared ancestry and diversification of these remarkable birds.